assignment too, so that if anybody needs to review any of this stuff. We're going to go over the ones with the 5 minutes we got. We'll go over the ones that are most incorrectly responded, so people know what they got wrong. So let's see if we can go down through here relatively quickly. We'll go over all the ones that 80% of the people got wrong or more. So really, I don't know how anybody got this wrong. Hard drive is where information programs are stored. When BIOS completes loading, it hands off control to a program on the hard drive. What program is it?
Operating system.
Operating system. No one should have gotten that one wrong at all. Parts of a hard drive, I thought this was a decent question, but a couple people got this wrong. A blank consists of one or more rigid, hard, rapidly rotating platters with blank heads. So a hard disk drive consists of one with magnetic heads. Not that many people got it wrong. 100%, 100%. Well, this is 85. Let's see what this one did. SSDs. Which of the following is most true concerning the hard drive presentations? Okay, so only one of them is true. So which one's the closest to the average? Okay, traditional hard drives seem to cost around 3% per terabyte. 3% per gigabyte. Traditional hard drives cost around 30% per gigabyte. No, that's solid state. Solid state seem to cost around 30% per gigabyte. Yes, obviously some of you guys are much higher and some of you guys are much lower, but none of that's true. And traditional was around 3 cents depending on which it was. So some of you guys weren't paying attention or something on that one. Which of the following true about solid state drives? They are faster, they're more expensive, they use less power, and they do not last longer than conventional drives. We talked about that because they have a definitive amount of of writes that can be had. But those are the two that are the most important reasons. They're faster, they're the three things I was looking for in the one essay question was they're faster, they're more durable, and they use less power. That's why we want them in laptops. Okay, so if you didn't say those three things, you didn't get a full 5 points, but some people got partial credit for some of those. Okay, match the info. Let's see if we get through all these. Slowest RPM of a conventional drive was 5,400 RPM. Faster RPM equates to faster access time. Fastest speed of computer grade, it's right out from the book. Consumer grade 7,200, the 10,000 and 15,000 are enterprise grade and server grade. Slow per RPM is slower access time. So those should have made sense. If it spins faster, you access the data faster. If it spins slower, you access the data slower. I think that was the one. Why purchase SSD? I just went over that answer for performance, durability, and power. 57%. An SSD is better than a conventional drive because it will last much longer, is much more reliable for saving important data. False. That's why you buy a conventional drive. So that's the opposite of the answer on there. TLC, MLC, SLC, right out of the book. Okay, the lowest cost for production is TLC. Okay, best cost the best cost for expected performance is MLC, and the type plus advantage being most accurate reading is SLC. Okay. Anything else horribly wrong? Let's see. Oh, really? This was not supposed to be hard. Hard drives are permanent and secondary storage. That's right out of chapter 1. Boo. Anything else? 71. PATA drive. So what type of drive is this? It's a PATA drive. That's why it's got a picture of the connection on there. Have a good vacation. The RAID ones are right out of the RAID reading section. Should have been able to just read that. And we're done. Have a nice vacation.